Greenhouse Transformation Part 3, our Greenhouse Series Update Part 3. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Seed starting and growing vegetables in the Greenhouse Series Part 3. Greenhouse Series Part 3. Hello everybody, welcome to Greenhouse Update. So let's take a look at the greenhouse and see what's going on in the greenhouse. Let's go. So let's check it in. So far in the greenhouse, everything is coming along. I'll open this plastic up shelf over here and show you guys. So I cover this plastic just to provide another layer of insulation. If you are new to the channel here, that's what I did, just provide another layer of insulation so it's much warmer in here than in the greenhouse itself, which helps me maintain a good temperature in there and also reduce the amount of heat that I need to produce to maintain the plants that I have in there. So let me open it up, then we'll go through and see what's going on in the greenhouse. Okay, so I opened it up, and let's start at the end over there and I'll show you what's going on in the greenhouse. Then I still have a lot of organizing and rearranging to do, so bear with me here. So over here I have some stuff that is coming out. Let me lift this up. So I'm using this plastic container right here, this styrofoam container right here to start my seeds. And we have some seeds coming out, so I just cover it with plastic to provide so that greenhouse effect in here. And as you can see, some of them are coming out already, which is good. And most of them that are coming out, I think they are anchor. And I have a couple of seeds in there. I have bekang and I also have water leaf in here, so hopefully they're gonna start coming out. Over here we have some herbs that are just coming out. The seed spread from last year and they're just coming out. Same with these. This is huckleberry right here. The huckleberry is just coming out by itself. We have some water leaf over here is coming out. Same with this over here, water leaf. Those are the onions that I planted about 3 weeks to a month ago. They're doing well. This is some huckleberry that's also coming out. I didn't plant those, the seed just dropped in there and they're coming out. Over here we have, see, our onions. This is the onion seeds that we planted here. So we did the seed starting container right here, used it. Once it germinates, then we transplant it into other containers or into the garden. I have some herbs, some green salad mix in here coming out. Same with this over here, onions. Have some other stuff over here. So let's go on this side. So up here I have some, as you can see, this is bekang, sweet bitter leaf. They're coming out already, they're doing great. So I started this tray, and this is another one that another bekang that's coming out. So I'm gonna transplant them into the greenhouse and into the garden. So they're all doing great. I put them up here because the temperature up here is much warmer than down below, and it helps the seeds germinate much faster. So I put them on the top shelf, not extreme top shelf. Up here I have a couple of things that I planted in these containers right here. They haven't started coming out yet, so there's nothing really to show you guys over there. Down here I have bitter leaf, dole bitter leaf. I planted them over here. Hopefully they're gonna come out soon. We have more bekang in these containers over here, and these ones over here we planted peppers and some other herbs. They haven't come out yet. Hopefully they come out soon. If within the next 1 week they don't come out, I will know the seeds are bad. I'll just plant new ones, but hopefully they come out. Down here I have some salad mix and garden egg that I planted in these containers right here. Over here I have cucumbers and zucchinis in these containers right here. So hopefully those come out. Those are some of the things that I've planted. In here I have I'm doing some cutting, seed cutting. I'm trying to get some seedlings from the bitter leaf on the over here. So I cut the stems from these over here and trying to get me some cuttings. So these ones over here are the plants that I had last year in the greenhouse. I brought them in during the winter and I had them in my grow tent. Watch out that video. I'll show you. I'll put a link to that video in the description below so that you can see. I had them in my grow tent and I brought them out here. So we're gonna start harvesting some of these very soon, but everything that I brought out is still doing well. So hopefully the reason I keep it is to be able to get seedlings for the new season, because I don't have the seeds for them. But as you can see, some of them started producing seeds over the winter, so hopefully I'll get more seeds from them. From this sweet bitter leaf or bekang, I'm gonna get some sweet bitter leaf or bekang seeds from these over here. So up here I have some herbs that are growing in here. Over here I have this is Zap or huckleberry. These are the big leaf huckleberries. I'm gonna transplant them into containers into the garden. And I have some tomatoes and some other stuff that I planted over here. They haven't come out yet, so I'm thinking that the seeds might have a problem. I might have to replace those seeds because I planted them more than a week ago. So I still have a lot of spaces down here that I need to plant. I still have some of my trays and some stuff over here that I need to plant. I still have a lot of spaces down here and even over there that I can plant more stuff. Same with this whole shelf right here. Has nothing. I haven't planted anything that's gonna go over there. So hopefully I'll say within the next 2 weeks, all these shelves will be full with seedlings and seed trays, and we're gonna be able to get it going. So the weather's getting much better. It's getting warmer, so hopefully it's gonna help hit the greenhouse more. And I'm gonna start transplanting some of these other seedlings that we have coming out into bigger containers, which will occupy more space. So over here on this side, these are the herbs that was in the greenhouse. It just came out by itself, and during the winter it was started growing about a month ago, and so should be able to start harvesting this. We can harvest it right now anyway, but you can see some of them are getting big already. So these are the some of the plants that I brought out. I cut these to get the rooting. So these ones are gonna continue. I'm gonna transplant them into bigger containers so that they can start growing over the winter, over the summer, and start harvesting. Same with this one over here. I had some peppers from last year, and I also had some sweet bitter leaf, and this is huckleberry that I planted, and I've been harvesting it all throughout the winter. So these are big leaves. So they're all doing great so far. The greenhouse is doing okay. It's just a lot of organizing and a lot of arrangement and a lot of planting that we're gonna be doing the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned for those updates. I'll let you guys know what's going on, and also give you guys update on the greenhouse and how everything is going. But still a lot of work to do and long way to go to get the greenhouse where it needs to be. So we're planting right now, so stay tuned for updates. Let me know in the comments below if you like videos like this, or if you're looking for something in particular in the greenhouse growing process. Let me know in the comments below. I'll try to answer as many as possible. But we have a lot of stuff going on that definitely, hopefully this helps you out. If you like video, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel out, and it helps us be able to be shown to other people. And share the video. If you like the video, somebody else might like the video. Share the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel, and check out my Amazon shop below, where you can support the channel by shopping with our Amazon at our Amazon shop. Okay.